charges and buffers, for
Guys,
example.
camera.
Okay? Okay.
From the beginning, we met each other. There is so many researchers from various countries, and I even met someone who the countries I never met before. It was so interesting.
The first thing is that the lecturers that were teaching us, these people that have a lot of experience. This is experience that has been gained in biomanufacturing itself, and these are biologics that are actually being used on the market. I really appreciated the level of knowledge that they imparted onto us, and in my mind, they helped bridge certain gaps that exist in my knowledge.
Even though we are coming from different parts of the world, we have this one goal of doing research. We aim to have research collaboration here, and also we are very thankful for KBio for bringing us together to learn regarding about the antibody production. And also this is our opportunity to have research collaborations and also learn together.
I would like to convey and express my all gratitude to all my colleagues, and now I can call them my friends.
And at the same time, we also had a Korean tour during the weekends, and we had this very good experience regarding. So we also had this experience in wearing the hanbok. It was a very good experience for us to learn about the Korean culture as well.
Kind, warm-hearted, friendly and welcoming, and willing to share your experiences, what you have learned in maybe in your own trainings or in your own scenarios.
It is a wonderful experience, and it's a great opportunity for us to be connected in the future and keep on doing collaborative efforts.
And then I believe with that persistency, with good networking, with consistent engagement of our governments, of our policymakers, we probably will one day get to that state where we are certain that our own countries can actually produce a number of biopharmaceuticals, including vaccines, gene therapy. I think if we can take that message back home, that vision back home, it is something that could help us move towards the bigger global vision of having vaccines equity.
I make new friends and know the different lines in what they are working to actually. And we also are trying to make some collaborations, and when I'm back to Peru, we will keep in touch with them and maybe work together in some research in the future.
I wanted to give them my thanks for the good organization, GMP level, organized the tours, and as well as we come, a lot of participants come different countries, and I am first time in Korea, but I feel they are good meetings with me and well organized and collaborated in Union Nations.
To my fellow participants, I would like to say that it was a pleasure meeting with all of you, and it was a pleasure learning together. I am very grateful for their support during this training, and I hope that we can stay connected and we can exchange our knowledge throughout our journey.